हाय गाइस, यू आर वाचिंग माय चैनल AHSAN पेट्स। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं अहसन जफर, कराची, पाकिस्तान से। कॉकटेल मेरी पहली मोहब्बत। Guys, I hope you are fine and doing good. Today I'm going to show you my some new chicks which recently came out of the egg, and there are many eggs are left, and they did not hatch yet, but they are going to hatch, and I will show you my whole progress. Some new chicks which came out recently, so I'll show you that and tell you that what is my feed routine and food routine, what I'm giving them to all, and I'll show you everything. Okay. So this is my pair of Lutino and Albino Cockatiel. This Lutino one is female and split of Eno, and he has a male of Albino Eno Cockatiel, pure Eno, and they are hatching some more new chicks and also having some eggs which are not hatched yet, but I'll show you that how many chicks I've got. As you can see, as I am watching for the first time by opening the box properly, so I'll show you that how many chicks they have and how many of them are Enos and how many of them are cream cockatiel. It's a male, Eno male, and it's a female, cream female, but they are having some chicks which are, I think majority of the chicks are albino cockatiels. So his tail is hiding the chicks. As you can see, two are Eno cockatiel and one is cream cockatiel. Two are Eno chicks, and one is cream chick. Okay, so I'm gonna to close the box, and after that I'll show you something more. I've closed the box, and now we are going to our elder pair, which is little elder than them. So this is the charcoal male. As you can see, the beauty of charcoal. My cage is looking little dirty, so you should ignore that. You know why I'm talking in English today? Because someone who was watching my video since starting actually, so he told me that I only can speak English, I only can understand English, but I enjoy watching your video. So this is my wish, to watch your video in English language. If you can give me a favor, so that's why I thought that maybe I should make a video for him in which I will tell in English language about my cockatiels. So this is the pair. This one is charcoal male and cream female. Charcoal male is also a split of Eno cockatiel, and this cream is also a split of Eno cockatiel. They both are splits of Eno cockatiel. So they are having some chicks which I already did show to you. They are the chicks. So I'll show you these chicks from the close. I think box is going little dirty. Box is getting little dirty, so I will clean it after that, after making this video. So I think that it is very dirty, not little dirty, it's very dirty. It's getting more dirtier than the last time. So I'm going to close the box. Okay, now we are going to another pair. We are going to another pair. This is the father, cream cockatiel. This is the father, and they both are children. Look at the quality. And this father is having some more chicks which are gonna to hatch, or maybe one of them is hatched. So I'll show you, and I'll separate these chicks little late. I'm going to shift these chicks little late because they were of Eno cockatiels, and I used to separate Eno cockatiels chicks little late because Eno bloodline is little weak and sensitive. We cannot say weak, it's little sensitive, so we should be very careful before separating them. We must be sure that if we are gonna to separate them, we must have surety that they are able to survive without parents, because it is not just about feeding. Sometimes the chicks goes, you can say that chicks get self, but they are not able to survive without parents. There are many chicks, I have seen those kind of cases that the chicks were on self, but they were not able to survive without parents, because this is not just about feeding or something like that. There are many cases except feeding. Feeding is one of the most famous case in cockatiel, but it is not only the one case in cockatiel. So that's why I'm showing you. Maybe I think that some of the chicks came out of the eggs. I don't know. She's getting aggressive. And you can see the Inu chicks are also in the nest box, which is little messy. So I think that we should close the box because they are getting so hyper, and the chicks and the elder chicks are also inside there. So I'm closing the box. I'll show you some next time. Today I wanted to say something, that today I will separate these chicks because they are disturbing a lot their parents. They are going in the box over and over all the day, and I'm also getting, I'm fed up with these kind of activities of them. So I'm also interested to make them separate today. I was not having much space in my you can say flight cages. There is very little space left here, so that's why I was getting little late to separate them. But today I think that I must have to do that. I have to do that because they are going inside the box over and over all the day, and the parents are getting disturbed by them. So this is the reason today I'm gonna to make them separate. So as you can see, this pair, check out their activity, what they are doing. Sometimes what I think about this pair, sometimes I think that they are eating larva. They are eating larva of beetle, because I have seen finches eating larva of beetles, but I did not see any cockatiel eating larva of beetle. But I think that they are used to do that. They used to do that. And I'll show you my finches, that how they are doing and what they are doing. I'll show you 4 out of 4 chicks. Mashallah, 4 out of 4 chicks, as you can see. They are learning to fly. They are not properly self, but they are learning to fly. They are getting, they are growing so well. I saw something here. My female came out of the nest box, so I have a chance to show you something. Is there eggs or only eggs, or we have some chicks here? Oh my god, the elder chick is also here on the egg. These are the eggs, and this is a bloody, you can say, bloody host and ghost. Don't worry, baby, today I'm gonna to separate you. Don't worry, I'll do something about you. I'm fed up with these kind of activity. I'm fed up with you guys, because you all the day you go inside the box over and over, you disturb your parents. Look at them. They are very healthy. This pair is very healthy. Alhamdulillah. 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 And I'll show you one more thing, that this male is lonely here. This male is lonely here, and he is on heat. He needs female, so I will provide him one of my female, as I already provided him one of that. But why did I separate again? Because I had a pair of budgies to sell, and it was with him. They were with him, and I sold them. They got sold, and today I'm gonna to give him a female. So that's after that he will be able to breed, because the breeding box is already installed there. Look at that. Yes, I will provide a female which I will show you right now. Sorry, not from here. I have a female which is hand tame, which will come out of by herself, which will come out of by herself. Look at her, look at her. She will come to me. As you see, she came to me right now. This is the female which I'm going to separate for that male. And she was already selected by me. I'm a selector. Beggars can't be selectors. Beggars can't be selectors. Selectors can't be beggars. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, like my video. If you are new on my channel, if you did not subscribe my channel, then do subscribe my channel and keep watching my video, and don't get jealous. We will meet again. Allah Hafiz.